Early morning.
The house is quiet, but one man is already awake. Ethan stands alone, tired, but ready for another day. Lily, wake up, sweetheart. It is morning now.
Dad, I am so sleepy. Please.
We will be late again. Come on.
Just 5 minutes. Please.
Oh no, not again.
Dad, something smells bad.
That is our breakfast.
You always burn it.
I am learning slowly.
Mom used to make better food.
Yes, she did.
It is okay. I like your food too. Dad, did you sleep?
Yes, I slept.
You are lying.
Maybe a little,
You look very tired.
but I am strong. Remember?
You don't have to be strong all the time. Dad, can I ask something?
You can ask me anything.
Why do other kids have moms? And I don't?
You have a mom.
Then where is she?
She is far away.
How far?
Very far. Lily, hurry up a little. We don't have much time.
I am trying, Dad. My hair is not staying right.
It looks fine already. You don't need to worry.
No, it doesn't look good. I want it perfect. I am going to school now. You stay here, okay? Don't be upset. I will come back soon. Dad, are we going to school now, or are we still a little early today?
We are going now, and we still have some time before the school starts.
That is good, because I thought we might be a little late again today.
No, today we are on time, so you don't need to worry about it.
Dad, I will go now, and then I will wait for you at the gate after school.
Okay, go carefully, and don't forget to stay near the gate when school ends.
As she walks inside the school, she suddenly sees her friend, and her mood becomes happy.
Hey, you came early today. I was waiting for you near the gate.
Yes, I came early today, and I was looking for you when I came inside.
Run fast. We have to go quickly. I want to ride on the horse before others come.
Okay, let's run fast. We will reach first, and then we can ride together.
Run faster. I think my horse is going ahead now. I will reach first this time. No. My horse is also running fast. I am coming with you. We will reach together.
Ethan is at home, preparing food for Lily before she comes back from school. Oh no, it is getting late. I have to go and pick Lily from school now. I am sorry. I got late again, but I tried to come as fast as I could.
It's okay, but I was waiting for you for a long time today.